Alright guys, I'll probably never be good at this whole YouTube documenting thing, but here we are. I took everything apart on the firewall one day. Another day I took off all the APU stuff, all the wiring. Just drop my phone. All the wiring right there. It's easier than disconnecting because there's a whole bunch of wiring. Got to get obviously new shocks, new airbags, cab airbags. And then we got this whole mess right here. My hood's at paint. All other pieces are at paint. This is the new cab. Made it back to my neck of the woods where the truck is going to be getting rebuilt. Put on a new coolant hose. Got the radiator straightened out. Got that bar on. Everything is more or less standing on its spot, except obviously for the cab. I got some of these brackets straightened out. There's obviously a lot more work, but the hard part begins now of taking out the wiring and the dash. Well, just the wiring probably, because his dash is messed up. Let me show you here. This dash is obviously messed up. It's cracked right there in that corner. So I'm pretty much just gonna take the dash out, get the wiring out, reuse what I can reuse because I like the way this color is. I like the way the black color looks inside. And then we're probably just gonna reuse the dash inside this truck, because this dash, obviously, nothing wrong with it. I don't like the color, but it is what it is. It beats buying a whole new dash. We're gonna take it out, put the wiring in, reuse what we can reuse, clean up, obviously, and then put this cab onto that frame. But like I said, all the pieces that need to be painted into this color, because I will be just leaving the cab this color. All the pieces that need to get painted are getting painted. We did score. These fuel tanks are filled to the top, especially in today's day and age. These are at $6 a gallon. 100-gallon tanks, $1,200. So that's not a bad thing. Definitely brightened up my day. But yeah, just small stuff from here on out. And then, like I said, most important part is getting the wiring switched over. And then anything else I can think of, I can't think of right now. But all the small stuff is kind of getting done little by little. And I'll probably have a guy come out, because these tanks are open. There's no fairing that goes here. I'll probably have a guy come out and polish up the tanks. And then I'm not sure. I'm gonna reuse this AC stuff because it's obviously more fresh than what the cab came with. And then we'll just go from there. We'll take one thing at a time, and I'll try to keep you guys updated. guys, here's an update. Haven't done one in a while. This is the new cab, or the parts cab. Slowly coming together. I got the back put together already. And then I'm slowly trying to put this together. So I put this in yesterday, and I had a gap right here. Figured out that the old bar was bent right here, so I had to swap out the bar. You know, take apart all the wiring, zip ties, and then put in the bar from this parts truck. And then I got it back in, secured it. The next step would be putting in the dash panel. It's the part I'm not looking forward to because it's the most tedious. You want to get it right so it looks good. So we'll see how that goes, but yeah, it's slowly getting there. Missing a lot of parts. Like I always forget where you put them, even though you try to put it in the best locations possible. But yeah, coming along.